So right now we are in Stowe, and this is really more rough there because all the boats on them, all the boats, as you can see out there, all the boats are going and people are there trying to help themselves. People are trying to help themselves right here. As you can see, we are in Stowe and the sea is reaching all the way under the engines. Yeah, and the fishermen right here, the hoofex, and it's just one mess out there. Yeah, just one mess out there. Everybody trying to help. And it's a sad situation out there right now because they did not prepare for the sea to reach all the way down there. And this temporary thing they did for the election, it's all gone. It's all gone. It's that same place that promised a jetty for the people. And see what is happening right there. Let's go out there. They're pulling the boat up. Yeah. We have another one right there coming up. They are trying their best. Yeah, actually you can see the people, they need help. They need help. See, they need help out there right now. They need help. As you can see, look at out there. All the water. Hey, about that one going. We need a rope. We need a rope forward. Whoa, it's a sad situation out there. It's a very sad situation. Yeah. It's a sad situation, as you can see. Yeah. They had promised us a jetty and they did a temporary thing there, which that does not work. Does not work. Kita salah ande bot lasa. Bini ande bot lasa. Tai, mikot la. Let's go. It's a sad situation up there, and yeah, it's a sad situation up there for us in Stowe, and they have to see if they can try to get rid of all the boats right here. Yeah. It's a sad situation out there, sad situation. Everybody there watching, trying to help. Yeah. Wait! Allez, moutez. It's a sad situation out there. The fishermen did not pull up the boat to the road, and right now they are struggling with this boat there. Now they are trying to pull up this boat there, and if you don't have a 4-wheel, you cannot pull out your boat from the bay. So this have to fix because this area is not right. Let's go, everybody. Everybody tried, everybody frustrated. Yeah, everybody frustrated. The people don't know what to do. Yeah. But the help is coming and people are coming. And it's a sad situation out there in Stowe. Yeah, Stowe fisheries. Because when they keep asking the government for help, they play games with them. And right now, see the situation, so let the world see. Let the world see. Yeah, they're trying their best right now. If you don't have a van, you cannot put it. It's very slippery. Yeah, it's very slippery. All the way. Où j'ai connu, my friend? Où j'ai connu? Tout le monde est boys. Tout le monde est boys. Yeah, everybody in it right now. We have got blue, red, everybody in it right now. So when we ask for help, this is what we're talking about. Vous pensez qu'il y a des bottes là? Avant qu'on donne ça qui des bottes. Je sais pas quoi tout ça. Ouais. We'll report that the weather report in Dominica is not good. It's not good because they trust the weather report in Dominica, which I don't trust. I don't trust weather report in Dominica, and they trust the weather report in Dominica. And see what is happening right now. See the mess. See what is happening. The fish, all the fishermen are frustrated. Everybody out there. Everybody come to help, come to watch. And it's a sad situation out there in Stowe. It's a very sad situation. Yeah, it's very frustrating right now. Yeah. It's very frustrating. Yeah, so we are showing right now the situation, and when they keep asking the government for help, they play hide and seek. They tricks, they turn them around, they push them around. And see the situation right now. See the situation right now. See the situation right now. It's a very sad situation out there. So over there, as you can see, they are trying to pull out boats one by one, how they can, because it look like they won't leave their boat there for the night. It will be very frustrating and they won't sleep, and everybody trying their best to see what they can do. Yeah, but all the boats, they are all tied up, so the water can just push them and play with them, but they can't go with it. Yeah. See, on the other side, they're trying to push up one. Yeah. So we are in Stowe, and we just bringing you the current situation right now in Dominica, and it's a sad situation. Yeah, as you can see, this temporary thing they did during the campaign, they actually did it during the campaign, so we know the game they tried. It did not work because for years they've been promising that they will build a jetty there for the fishermen, and they haven't done it, so that they will see the situation. It's a sad situation. Oh, they finally got another boat up on the road. Yeah. So they are trying their best, how they can, manpower.
Hey, I want to try, I want to try. Hey, I want to try. People are not moving.
Siri exposing. We are right here in Stowe, trying to help the fishermen in a situation to show the world that when they are asking for help, so the government won't play with them, they're really in need of the help. So they will have to see. The fishermen have been always asking the government for help, and they always keep playing games with them. So let the world see let you all see what is happening in Dominica in Stowe presently. Siri exposed.